Ladies and gentlemen, in this video guide I would like to tell you about the new scam that currently attacks many Windows computers and Windows browsers. This particular scam may come from certain random websites. I'm not really going to quote them because they are random, and today or tomorrow they may be changed by some other websites. But this fake alert claims to be Windows Error Alert Er000d7. This is the way this pop-up window is actually titled. This fake alert claims to be related to Windows, to Microsoft, but in reality this is a fake alert. There are some online criminals who stand behind these fake alerts, and their mission is to actually force customers into calling some telephone number where they will hear some online criminals who will try to infect the system even more. Some of these people may present themselves to be related to Windows support or Microsoft support, but they are not associated with Windows or Microsoft. So we recommend you to be very careful whenever you see these fake alerts claiming to be Windows Error Alerts Er000d7. Do not trust them and do not interact with them. These pop-ups may be the trace of some adware in your computer. So first thing we recommend you to do is to carefully check the control panel. Sometimes the adware or some potentially unwanted software may be visually displayed among the list of programs. So if you find something suspicious, get rid of it. Also, we recommend you to check your available browser extensions by going to the menu More Tools, then Extensions. In case you find any third-party extensions here on the list, get rid of them. To make sure that your device is free of any other concealed threats, we strongly advise researching your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and click on Start Scan button. The program will start analyzing and researching your system. Then you will see the summary of the threats at the end of the scanning. The program will give you the locations of these threats. You may remove some of them manually, but we recommend a better solution by upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, Combo Cleaner will remove all these threats automatically and will protect your system from all subsequent malware attacks.